In front of me is POCO M7 and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock. Start by opening settings and scrolling to click on apps. Now click on app lock on the left. And to continue, hit password type. Then you need to decide if you want to use your privacy protection password or screen lock. If you decided to use screen lock, you will need to enter it after hitting turn on. If you decided to use a different password, you need to create it. To do it, click on privacy protection password, choose turn on, then read the disclaimer and hit setup. Now you need to click on other password if you don't want to use 6-digit PIN and pick one of those: custom PIN, password or pattern. Let's go with pattern. Create your privacy password. If you made a mistake, don't worry, just hit draw again at the bottom left corner and create it correctly. When you're sure this is the one you want to use to your apps, you need to enter it again and then hit OK at the bottom right corner. Finally, if you want to add your Xiaomi account, hit add right away. If you don't or you want to do it later, click on not now. And wherever you decided, if you wish to lock all of those apps, hit use app lock right away. If you don't, you need to click on all of those, check for 0 over here, and then click on use app lock. Finally, to lock an app, use gray switcher next to it and go back to check it out. So when I click on my Amazon I just locked, I can see that pattern is required. To disable app lock from any app, go into the same section in settings, so apps, then app lock, and here enter your privacy password. Use blue switcher next to your app and wait. If you want to manage app lock, click on this gear at the top right corner. Check out all of those available options, and to disable it, use blue switcher next to app lock feature. Then hit OK in the pop-up to delete it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!